This is how it all starts. You have the brain power over here, and they're working on the float. So if you want to come out next time and help us, come out next Saturday and the Saturday after that, and come in and meet new people, get your hands dirty, well, maybe some of us will, and have a great time building the Mardi Gras float for this year, 2023. It's coming up, so come on out.
Down there, it's parallel right there. It's that road that's the road that Rosie's is on.
The Brain Trust working on the float as we speak.
We've got the most of those. Okay.
What last?
Use the long ones for
The gold, the
green
green and the gold, green and the gold.
And,
Purple
should be
is
able to build it
definitely.
here. I pulled it out the other day and I'm looking at it and saying I need 8.
I love it when a plan begins to take shape.
I had the wrong thing. All right, let's think about this. It should have been done before we got started.
You want these at 2 foot then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That, 3 foot.
That. 2 foot. You gotta lay it out. I don't know how to lay out the
Hello everyone. Well, it's time to get busy building the float for Mardi Gras. Come join us next weekend when we're hoping for warmer, sunnier weather. We're going to be working on applying coroplast to a decorative wall. We're making masks to trim the sides of the float. So come help us cut the mask templates out and get started on that work. There's always plenty to do, so come on down and give us a hand. Bring your jigsaws, your sawhorses, your staple guns, and your hot glue guns, and come ready to have a great time working on the float.
Cut. That'll work.
Oh, you're getting really good at that.
Yeah.